Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your fast charging isn't working on your Motorola Razr Fold. Now, the most important thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to charge your device using the USB-C cable, and it has to be the original Motorola cable along with the original Motorola 8-watt charging brick. So try to use everything original, because if you use third-party chargers, they might not work as well. And also check your device's settings. Go to battery settings. Here in battery, we're gonna have to select charge boost and make sure that this feature is enabled, because without it, we'll not be able to use this fast charging at its full potential. And also make sure to keep your device updated, because your issue might be related to an outdated operational system. So check system updates in your settings and check for available updates. And if you do have one, let your device download, install it, and restart. If you have the newest system system software version, still restart your device at least once to apply all the changes. And after that, your issue should be resolved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.